Mario,
Yo, what's up, B?
what's going on, man?
Living the dream.
Absolutely.
Bro, Friday was the best day ever.
For real? Oh, on that was it US 30, right? Or
Dude,
GJ?
I on US 30 and GJ.
Oh, that was money, man. That
Dude, it just didn't make any sense to me. I was just like, yo, this thing's been moving my confidence like since forever. I was like, so why is GJ going down and US 30 going up? I was like, don't make no sense. And the double top, I was like, come down. Just a matter of waiting.
you went when'd you get in on over here?
Bro,
Cause like
I was
isn't it funny to see like a head and shoulders pattern?
yeah, and that one's clear too.
Yeah, but you got in like on the beginning of the move. Like
Yeah.
I think this was all Friday, right? Or no, this oh right here, yeah. Actually, yeah, I
Yeah,
don't.
from the top of the move on Friday.
That's a good move, man. US 30 was the best though. You got like the best entries.
It was like a perfect
You
entry, like
you
right at the top
like
to go
these
all the way down.
you got in like I seen it had like entries in this wick.
Mm-hmm.
I was like, wow.
I got my entries in the night before from the very top, and then I hedged it and put in a couple more positions in. I was like, yo, this is too easy. So I saw it last night. I was like, man, this thing's coming down. I was like, negative news.
Mhm.
I was like, it's gonna come down. And then when it started to pull back up, I was like, it's still gonna come down because of what I was saying. I was like, it just didn't make any sense. I was like, the news is still negative. They haven't pumped any money into the economy yet. It's still going to come down. I mean, at some point, will it go up? Yeah, when they start pumping some of that stimulus money up in there. Which who knows, might happen this week or so, maybe. Maybe next week. I know they're talking about it.
And yeah, it's super negative.
Mm-hmm.
I've never seen it that many points down. Momentum's definitely to the downside. That second wave, man. That was like the very top, like to catch it. But now we might have an even lower low, man, from where it already went to. I think like this could be it. Yeah, man. If it
Yep.
breaks that daily, man, it's a wrap.
Dude, I was talking about that second wave like, what, like a month and a half ago? Maybe a month ago. The perks of the job.
Yeah, it looks like money, man. We'll wait for like a close break, close below. Jump up on in there. Gold, definitely looking for buys.
Yep.
Need to at least close above here, but ideally that break the daily, man. We got huge range. Oil will look good if it closes above. Yeah, EA just faked out.
Yep.
It's gonna probably retest and break. This would be a good sell opportunity if it does, but we'll see what happens.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one looks like it's setting up right now. USD CAD too. If we get buys right here, 52 pips. It'd be a good little buy opportunity. GN definitely looks like it's setting up. Which pairs are you looking at right now?
Got GJ pulled up right now. I had US30 pulled up too, just to see what it's going to do. But by the looks of it, I'm pretty sure it's going to keep going down. I don't see it going up.
Oh no,
Not
absolutely. It's definitely
anytime
gonna
soon.
it's definitely gonna continue.
Um, I'm set up for EN as well, but I'm still getting into EN, so I haven't really took too much, looked into it too much yet. And EA, I've been looking at more lately, but
Yeah, I
man,
like EA.
work up that chart.
Yeah, I got it marked right here. It's consolidating.
Okay.
Um,
I didn't even bother looking at SPX. US 30 goes down, SPX going down.
right.
You could literally not even look at SPX and put a trade in it if US 30 is going down.
Yeah,
It's
it's
still profit.
kind of like picking GJ or EJ. It's kind of like whichever one you think I guess is cleaner, right?
Mm-hmm. I think NAS 100 doesn't. It kind of does its own thing because it didn't follow the same flow as SPX and 30.
Yeah, this thing's just consolidating.
I figured some of these would be consolidating today after all that big push, and then like GJ sitting almost like at a monthly level. So if it does consolidate, I wouldn't be surprised before it decides if it's going to break or not.
Yeah, let me throw up GA.
Friday was too easy.
The
I literally
blessings.
waited. I was waiting. I was like, man, I'm gonna wait. I know this ain't gonna come down.
This wasn't. I think. Man, what was this? I remember like this move right here. Was it? No, that wasn't. Was that it? Okay. Yeah, GA looks choppy. GA is choppy.
Like that. Like get those clean moves.
Yeah, maybe get like this wig fill. I'd rather try to wait for a close and try to get this.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, GN might be like, it looks pretty good. Just like a little pullback though. Little pullback. What's the weekly looking like? Yeah, it's just a pullback to probably continue. We'll see if it closes above. I'm gonna put out the weekly level too though. Weekly level is key. You said GJ is? Yeah.
That's what 4 hour guys retrace on 4 hour candle.
See on the weekly time frame. Yeah, as long as we don't break last week's low, it should just be a little pullback and probably continue up maybe. Yeah, everything's bearish. The whole all momentum's to the downside.
I think Paul got in on buys and he got stopped out.
Stop. That is so funny.
It is.
I don't under, bro. I mean, this could be a 4 hourly pullback and continue, but there was no confirmations. Like to buy here, this was like right at resistance. Crazy. Hopefully, we'll have definitely no trades yet. Man, US 30 though. Once this breaks, I'm putting an alert.
Oh, dude, that's why I had set an alert too. Thing kept going off.
It's gonna mess my.
It kept crossing this line I had. It's like, ding, ding, ding. I'm like, dang. I'm gonna get there. Hold up.
Nothing yet, man. Nothing yet.
Okay.
Possibly GN. See what happened.
I bet he's hopping in too, ain't it?
What tonight?
Yeah. Or do you say?
Possibly.
Ugh. It's just light work.
Yeah, Tyler's cool, man. I just linked back up with him, so you'll meet him. He should be jumping on too.
Yeah. I like that little template he had.
Oh yeah, that was dope.
Probably use it. Do the same thing.
Oh, for each week, yeah, I think that's really cool. Doing that, all that work up front is key, man. The only thing I'm showing up every day this week, man. I'm gonna show up for Asian, map out the markets real quick, look for a trade if there's an opportunity. Well, other than that, man, New York, dude, it's crazy how much more volatile it is. You know what I mean?
Yo.
It's
Nah,
just
you're
night and day, bro. I was like, uh,
yeah.
night and day, man. I was like, yo, the amount of movement, yo. When I seen that, I was like, it's a wrap. And Tesla, for example, bro, this was such an easy move, man. Same thing we always look for, but this right here, this clean move right here to the left, it was easy, bro. Yeah, like this is the one I was and because of the hours are different, like once this 15 closed outside the range right here, and it broke, and you had this clean traffic to the left, this would be your opportunity candle, and that thing just went.
So you were selling Tesla?
Well, no, I was watching it. I seen the
Oh.
opportunity as soon as it came up. I mean, this is the trade setup I look for all the time. Consolidation break, clean traffic. So it's like a no-brainer. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm watching the stocks like to see how they move because I don't really trade them. But if they're doing the same thing that I look for, which Tesla just did, and typically that's what I see, like consolidation break, close above right here. This would have been my risk candle, and then I would have caught that move up. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So it looks like it's the same type of patterns I look for. Same here. So I'm gonna see what's up. I know there's a lot of airline stocks and stuff like that too that are pretty volatile, but as long as it has volatility, man, let's go. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I was about to start dumping some money into some airline stocks, man.
Yeah, I mean if the volume's there and the setup's there,
Yeah.
it's a wrap, man. Catch opportunities all day, bro. I was like talking to I was talking to him the other day about catching FX commodities during the first half because the scheduling's different for stocks. So like 9:30 and I don't know the volatility after. I mean everything's pretty much dead after 12, but I'm pretty sure
Yeah.
yeah everything's about dead basically. So I was thinking maybe there's some stocks that start moving after market hours to see like if I could also now jump into stocks for the you know what I mean, like whatever's more volatile. Maybe there's certain pairs that are good during the afternoon. You know what I mean, to where we could find setups there. Because I'll sit here all day, bro, waiting. You know what I mean? When you're monitoring like 30, 40 different pairs and you're looking for that one setup that you wait for. You know what I mean? So it's just like I'm with it, man.
That's all I did, dude. I was just cycling through whatever was best.
Mhm.
Like Friday, Thursday, I think actually pretty much like most of the week, I'll just cycle through all of them, and then I'll just see like, all right, let's see which one looks like it has the most potential. And then I was like, huh. I was like the way DJ just moved. I was like, okay, I'm gonna go with DJ today. Stuck with it. And just waited. And then I stuck with US 32. I just waited. So I went through like literally all of them. I was looking at EU, AU. I was like, all right, some breakouts, consolidation. I was like, well, which one has the most potential?
Nah, yeah, absolutely. Hey, Tyler and Obey, can y'all hear? You guys hear us?
Yeah, you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you. What up, man? Yo, Obed, are you on? I see 5 pip Elgato. Oh, nah, he's probably working out, listening. I bet.
Yo, can you hear me?
Yeah,
Yo,
yeah.
yo,
Yo, yo, yo, yo.
what it do, big dog?
What it do? Did you train already?
Yeah, we got in there a little earlier.
Nice, man. Nice. What'd you work out?
We did legs and then we boxed.
My dog. That's what's up,
Just another
man.
day in the office.
Just another day in the office.
Light work.
We got one viewer on YouTube right now.
All that.
Yeah, I know. The start. The start.
Beginning of the end.
The beginning of the end.
Is this live?
Yeah, on YouTube.
Right.
Oh, dang.
Y'all got me over here sounding like an idiot.
Why? Yeah, man. I mean, I don't really see any setups. I mean, obviously US 30 when it breaks here, the daily for whatever. It's like 500 points down on pre-markets. So it's I've never seen it that much that negative plus the second wave. This is like, bro, we're gonna get that next like bigger than ever drop. Look at that 400 points, bro. 300 already.
Yeah, Asia's already falling right now too.
The Asia
Yeah, Asian markets are down like 1% right now.
damn.
Dude, I'm telling you, US 30 and the Asian pairs, man, they go down. EJ, they're all just gonna drop. Long as US 30 drops, they're gonna drop.
So that's usually good for the U.S. dollar, the dollar yen, and the Swiss franc when the stock markets fall like that.
Yep. Easy moves. Let's see what the news for the week.
Yo, if you want, the people that I follow, if you go to their website, you can sign up for their newsletter, and they send you every morning at 5 a.m. and then every night at like 5 p.m. a full like fundamental breakdown. They're professional traders at like some bank, bkassetmanagement.com.
Uh-huh.
So these two people are legit. They're always on CNBC and shit, and they send you like a summary every morning and every night of
Oh,
like all
that's
the fundamentals
dope.
going
Yeah.
on for 4.
Yeah, what's it called?
bkassetmanagement.com.
Get get all
Wait for the hiccup on that stomach, dog.
get all that legwork over ASAP, man. Save me. Where do you go to get it? You have to subscribe.
Yeah.
That's cool, man. Thanks. I know a lot of the brokers send a lot of
Yeah, I used to be signed up to a shitload of different newsletters, and I was getting fuckloads of emails every day. And then I found their stuff, and like their shit just basically summarized everything all the other emails saying. So like that's the only one I do now.
It's money, man. That's money, man. Yeah, bro. USD CAD's money, bro. If we get a break in the close above 50 pips, target one or sells. You got like 40 pips to the downside, so some pretty good ops right there. But I doubt anything really moves, man. I mean, we'll see at 8 if we get anything, but at least the markets are mapped out. We know what to anticipate for London and New York.
Yeah, I don't think you'll probably see like a huge move on USD CAD probably until Thursday or Wednesday, because they have some CPI news that's supposed to come out.
Yeah, they got data coming out. It looks like it's gonna head up to like towards like 138.50.
Which pair?
Dollar CAD.
Yeah, I think it's definitely bullish. Weekly is about to break prior weekly. It already found support here, so yeah, it could be a weekly pullback to continue down, but we'll see.
Tuesday, you probably see a big move on US 30 because that's got the Fed Chair Powell speaking.
When is that?
So that's gonna be Tuesday at 10 Eastern.
He's on he testifies Tuesday and then he does Wednesday too. And I think he's doing a speech on like Friday afternoon.
Dope.
Yeah, usually anytime that motherfucker opens his mouth.
Whole market share.
Yeah.
They gonna fly up and they'll fly down at the same time.
Yeah, man, Mario caught it up here, bro. It was like a perfect situation, man. This would have been an amazing time to get in. I mean,
because I like forgot I set up a sell stop right there to catch it until I woke up and I saw 2 trades.
you know Paul Tudor Jones, he was talking about it going to the 1400s.
What?
Yeah, bro. That's what he anticipates. I mean, I don't know. I forget why his bias is that, but yeah. Like the next leg down.
Yeah, Ray Dalio said some similar shit to that. Some about like the long-term debt cycle, some shit I'm way too stupid to understand, but like the short and the long-term debt cycle apparently like every 75 years or something like this type of drop happens and he's expecting it to go way further.
Yeah, man. This is probably one of the best opportunities you can ever have. I mean, I'm mad that the ride up was money too. It's cool just and the bias, man, bro. The points have never been that negative, man. This is like, and all you see is the negative news. We all knew this would obviously happen. Plus, all the data gonna come out and reflecting this. So it's about that time. About that time. What setups are you eyeing, Tyler?
The two most immediate ones I'm looking at are cable and dollar yen, pound dollar, dollar yen.
Yeah, put one over here for a buy.
Yeah, short term. I think in the next probably 3 or 4 4-hour candles, you'll see a push higher, a pound dollar.
Yeah, but like it already broke the previous daily. So it could not be pulling back, it's ranging, but yeah, I agree.
Dollar yen,
Oh.
I think you'll see like another short term push higher on the lower time frames. I mean, actually, that might get invalidated depending on how bad markets are, because usually the money flows into the yen whenever the markets are falling, so that might invalidate that idea a little bit. Well, it wasn't Friday the day that the markets dropped like 5% or something. So like I don't know. So on the dollar yen, that Friday candle was really bullish, which is weird. Usually it would be the opposite on a day like that when the markets drop. So that might be a bullish signal.
Yeah, I might have found support. That was a huge sell-off last week.
Yeah, if you zoom out on the daily, it did a false break of that long range that it's been in since April.
Nothing, man. No setups yet. Except Dow. Dow's gonna make that move, man.
Oh yeah.
Eventually. GJ, I don't know, man. I mean, even if you try to get a sell, it's just not really. I guess we'll see how the candles close, but this is like the weekly. I guess you could try to grab this area here. Get a wick fill. See what happens.
Probably get that push in London session.
Yeah, it's. Trying to see what else should we look at. See
I
if
think
there's.
oil's going to push a little bit higher than the European session. It gapped down too on the open. It gapped down to like fucking 50 cents. No, less than that. Like, almost 50 cents.
Let's see here.
Typically, like what happened with oil is that we saw that major drop because of the lockdown. Nobody was traveling, nobody was going anywhere, so the demand for oil fell for like however long, 2 months. So you should be seeing a pullback from those lows since since the lockdowns and the restrictions and stuff are getting a little bit less strict. So if more people are there's going to be a little bit more demand for oil. You should probably see it push up in the next couple of weeks.
Yeah, man. Buys above here all day.
Yeah.
All day, man. All day. Just a whole bunch of congestion, but yeah, this will be a good little alert. Ride that bill up, let it do whatever it wants in here. Sit back.
Actually, like if you wanted to trade that old Dante strategy, which is he said he has like an 80-90% success rate where there's a gap. Whenever it gaps down, it swing fails. So if you go on the 5-minute chart, you can see it just like gap down and swing fail back, swing low down there.
Oh, right here.
Yeah. So what he would do is he would bid long off of that level into the gap fill, into where it fills the gap. I'm just gonna watch that and see if that ends up happening.
Yeah, I'm scared. I'm scared of these. I need like a yeah, I'm scared. It's definitely. I realized myself ever trying to, like, I don't know, it's funny because it's all fractal, but this would have been maybe a good one for me. But yeah, whenever this thing.
You don't want to fuck with it until it leaves that.
Yeah, because if we get a nice close above here and with a little tiny risk and then a break, I see us, on the higher time frames, it'll make, this is probably a daily pullback, then continuation, maybe London, see what happens. But yeah, it's just, but
daily 10 bars super bullish sign too.
Yeah, I like it. I doubt it breaks here, and it's yeah, it'll be money, man. We'll catch target one will be 73 pips, 78 pips. Looks good, man. Looks good. Yeah, man. We got those mapped out. USD CAD, Bitcoin. Obviously, when this thing blasts off, just grabbed all this liquidity right here. If we get some type
It
of
did that like twice last week. It did those liquidity spikes, and I watched that shit happen. It was wild. It did like $1,000 move in fucking 5 minutes.
yeah, I seen it. It was where is it? See, like
I think it
this.
was.
Where was it?
Oh, it was like last week. It was on June 2nd.
Is it this one? No.
Probably have to go on June 2nd.
Right. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, it was this right here. Yeah, I was watching that. I forget I was watching it. What was I watching on the 30-minute?
It's weird the Bitcoin charts look different. Like I'm looking at
That right there, right?
I'm looking at the BTX chart, the one from BitMEX.
Mhm.
So like if you look at the Coinbase chart versus the BitMEX chart versus the Bitstamp chart, they're a little bit.
The data's different.
And yeah, the candles are a little different.
Yeah, every broker has it crazy. Do you trade crypto right now, Tyler?
No, I was thinking about fucking around with BitMEX just for fun because you can like super high leverage Bitcoin trades on there.
Mhm.
It's also cool because they have a thing called the troll box on the left, and all these little crypto traders are like talking to each other, and you can see them like how much money they're losing and shit off these trades. It's kind of funny to watch.
Yeah, man. Like the only time I've seen on Bitcoin to get in would have been to try to get on there. This is the exact same setup I'm looking for on Bitcoin now. It's like this right here. Like
Yeah, watching the Bitcoin chart just scares the shit out of me thinking about fucking investing real money in it.
yeah,
Like long term, but trying to trade it on a short term basis, like I don't know about all that.
yeah. Like this break. I think it was the break of this candle because it closed pretty strong. TP1 and then leave a runner. Because this thing just bursted, man. For whatever reason, broke. Cause based off the way that I trade, I mean, the big money definitely reacts to it. You know what I mean? Because you always see moves like this same type of move. If oil sets up, the same type of thing will happen. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So it's just kind of sitting back and waiting. But yeah, anything in here, unless I get a 30-minute confirm, it's a lot of fake outs. And because like for example, where is it? It was GN. Yeah, GN failed to break, and then it just broke structure. So until you get like a strong close above, it's kind of hard to like predict because then it could just bounce around. But
Right.
but yeah, I was just talking to Mario about cause Tesla last week. This move right here, like I was showing you earlier, was a good opportunity. So I was trying to see like in the afternoon, is stocks more volatile in the afternoon, or is there like cryptos that are more volatile? Like I wonder if there's another.
Usually, what happens, they have something that's called the lunchtime turnaround, where like markets are trending down in the European and U.S. sessions. So 6 a.m. until the European markets close at 11 a.m. our time. So usually all the big traders at the banks and stuff in New York will go to lunch at 11. So usually between 11 and 12, they'll either take profits, and you'll see like if it's been trending down all day around that time, you might see a turnaround. So if you see a good setup that's also a confluence with that lunchtime turnaround type of trade, I found that's a pretty high probability trade. Like if you're trying to trade a pullback and it's also lunchtime, that's a good setup.
Yeah, I know a lot of these airline stocks and stuff are just super overextended and stuff. I need to pull out a screener, man, just to see, cause it'd be cool to get some ops on that.
Yeah, I don't look at individual stock charts that often. My shit's already fucking. I'm already following too many markets.
Yeah. I mean, I'm almost at the point, man, if like the setup is there and the risk and the opportunity candle shows up, man, it's like why not? You know what I mean? Because it's like it seems like it all legitimately does the same thing. EA might be breaking here. Risk is way too big.
I just shared this article on Facebook. You want to see some funny shit, go on Twitter around the time the U.S. markets open at like 9:30 in the morning, and follow that one guy, the Barstool Sports.
Oh, I seen that. Uh-huh.
That shit is hilarious. The motherfucker, he made like $400 million selling Barstool Sports to some casino company, and then he got bored during the quarantine, so he just yeeted that whole shit into the fucking stock market. And you can see him like there was one day where he lost like he had $1 million loss in like a couple hours or some shit where the markets dropped like they did Friday, and he was long a bunch of stocks.
So he's not. He's just investing and holding pretty much.
No, he's day trading, but he doesn't really understand like how the markets work. So like he live streams it, and like his commentary is fucking hilarious.
Yeah, he got so much press, man. I'm just like, wow, dude, this guy blew up for real. Wasn't he like sports betting though or something before, like gambling on sports?
He owns that. He used to own that Barstool Sports company. The ones that they have that one podcast with them two girls, like that Call Me Daddy podcast with them two chicks, and then they have like a sports news network, and then like sports betting and shit like that.
Oh, and because sports stopped, he transitioned.
Yeah, since everything, and he's been locked in his apartment or whatever in New York, so he just started day trading. He started live streaming himself day trading. Like his commentary is fun as fuck.
Yeah, man, that's where Obed's supposed to come in.
And do what?
He said and do. Oh, be yourself. Your account is upgraded. Money. Alright. Sounds good to me. Wait, hold up.
Oh.
Man, did it not?
Try to catch this little puss on GJ. You looking at what on GJ?
Looking at the 15 minute right now. Trying to see if there's a little push down.
Yeah, 30's closing week. Bullish.
Yep, that's why I was like, let me see how this goes. Normally don't trade on Sunday, but I'll take 12 pips.
Maybe if it breaks the previous 4 hour.
Dang, so weird. I upgraded the plan and still has a countdown. We'll see what happens. We shall see.
It should,
just go, no matter what.
I think that's when I did it that one time.
Okay, but it
said it was upgraded and then it just
counted down. All right, cool. Cool. Yeah, man, everything is just consolidating. Oh, here we go. GN getting that breakout right now. Wait for this to close. Let me see here. What's the daily looking like? I'm scared it's gonna be a fake out because the daily bias is bearish. So at the end of the day, this could be just a pullback to continue down. But
the New Zealand dollar is a big risk-on currency too. So like
because this is
if it's a risk-off environment, like if stocks are falling, investors are pulling money out of risk and putting money in safe havens, then the New Zealand dollar usually falls.
yeah, I need to get on that fundamental sauce game. uh,
You start to learn it off of that BK asset management stuff just after just reading the emails every day over the course of a couple months. I kind of memorized like the fundamental drivers.
yeah, the next 30-minute. If it breaks, yeah, I'll probably jump in. I don't know. I'm scared of the weekly, bro. All momentum's bearish. Yeah, you're right. So if that's the case, if the fundamental news is like that, then yeah, it's gonna probably fake out and then continue down. EA broke. It's choppy. Don't like it. USD faked out.
If you pull up the 5-minute chart on oil, isn't that those setups that you're looking at just on a lower time frame? It's once it pulls out of that consolidation into the gap fill.
Yeah. Right here.
Yeah, that little range right there that it's in.
Yeah, it's gonna probably be a fake out too on GN bit. It's EA's it's bearish momentum. Broke though. This This might go. Are you guys still on? Let me get it back. Hello. Hey. Yo, yeah, I did cut it off. Yo, yeah, what's up, man? Yeah, I did cut it off.
Yeah, when the last time I did that, it just gave me the warning, but it still kept going.
Yo, yo.
You.
Yeah, it's upgraded now, so we're straight.
GJ. Make some low, break some stuff. I took it down to that wick too.
Yeah, Brent just broke out.
So when you're looking at oil, you just wait for it to same setup, the close. Then you take it down.
Who? Tyler? Oh, me? Yeah, if it closes, I'll wait for it to close. I mean, risky is waiting for a 15 to close, but because typically we'll just pause here. Because look at that, no one could have called that. You know what I mean? Like that's just it's too overextended. So at the end of the day, bare minimum 15, which I don't even like the 15, so I'll wait for 30. But if the 30 closes, the next one wakes up and breaks, that would be my risk, and this would be my reward. Try to catch that thing down. But other than that, that's why it's like pretty much stress free, because it's like I just chill and sit back and wait, man. Because I don't know. I mean, you could if you wanted to. I mean, I don't trade this like this. Like, see how the 5 minute played the setup I want. People base it off also the 5 minute. See, so now they're in. You know what I mean? They got a 9 pip stop. They're already in profits. It might just go, but we'll see. It looks like it's so volatile that the 5 minute is pretty good, but I don't know, man. I gotta wait.
Wait in game.
Yep. Look, this is the 5 minute on WTI.
Yeah, that's what I'm watching right now.
I mean, I could see it going. I mean, I don't base trades off the 5. It looks beautiful. It's the same setup but fractal. So I mean, you can, you know what I mean. It's funny because I'm looking for the same thing on the 30, but this does look like money. Well, yeah, the 30. Yeah, if the 30 can close, I'm gonna get it on the next 30. So yeah, I might take that. U.S. oil. Yeah, this is looking money. But it's funny because it's a higher time frame consolidation. You basically pretty much get this wick fill probably. See what happens here, man. See what happens. Hey, Obed, are you in? Yeah, see, look, it was a fake out.
Yeah, so this 5 minute, if that 5 minute candle closes above that little 5 minute level
Where?
on U.S. oil,
Uh-huh.
that 5 minute candle closes above 35, 30. So if it closes above 35, 37, then you should see it push higher.
Yeah, look, they both faked out. I knew it. Sit back and chill. You're in a trade right now, Mario?
Yeah. What is this? DJ Dream.
If we get it closed here, this might be a good little situation. You trade off the 5 minute, Tyler, on oil?
Sometimes, but mostly I pull up the four charts. So I have the 5 minute, the 1 hour, the 4 hour, and the daily. And then if I have like an hourly directional bias, I'll trade into that on the 5 minute. If I have a daily directional bias, I'll trade into that on the 1 hour or the 4 hour. Yeah, there we go. The target probably won't get hit until the European session, maybe.
How do you place your stop under the 5?
I look at the ATR, so the average 5 minute candle. So like you pull up the ATR, and it's so the ATR for the 5 minute candle on oil is 15 cents. So I'll find the low of the candle that I'm trading and put the stop 15 cents below that low. So then it would have to really make an effort to take me out since it only moves 15 cents on average per 5-minute candle.
I think it's moving. Yeah, man. I don't see nothing yet.
US 30 is just raining right now.
You see Brent? Why I don't get in unless that candle closes. Just wicked right back into the range. Crazy.
Yeah, you can tell that strategy that you use is fractal too. On the 5-minute, you can see that if you mark out that exact 5-minute range from the low to the high, the last 5-minute candle clipped it by one pip, and then that's where the orders got taken up. So most people had buy stops underneath that. They had buy stops or sell stops a tick underneath that low at 35.32, and then as soon as it nicked that low down there and went to 35.31, you started seeing it shoot up because all those sell stops got triggered and they got taken out. That faked it out.
Mm-hmm. Bitcoin's probably gonna wick fill.
And Bitcoin's been faking people out all weekend.
Yeah, because no one waits for it to close. They just jump in. Or there's like the retail traders. Every time there's news like buy Bitcoin, etc., it's just a huge liquidity grab, man. Like for the whole halving, all that was a liquidity grab.
Yeah, I've seen somebody put a chart up on Twitter of every Bitcoin happening, like exactly what it did going in the weeks going into it, and then in the weeks coming out of it. And usually the weeks going into it, it does the opposite of what you would think it would do, and it fakes people out. And usually about, I think it was a couple months after the happening,
Mm-hmm.
it's whenever you started seeing the huge rally in the price.
Every time.
Every time, like clockwork. After the halving. Is that one of your setups on silver? Daily chart. Kind of looks like it on the daily chart.
I don't typically.
The 4-hour might be too.
I don't know if I have. Have it up. What is it?
Silver dollar.
What's the pair? Like.
It's just
Like
silver.
G or something like that.
Oh, it's XAG.
USD.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just consolidating. Um,
Probably won't do it for a few days, but if it breaks those 1770 or 1670 lows or the 1830 highs,
yeah. See what happens. It's probably a daily pullback, and then we're gonna push, make that daily wick, and then continue because all the momentum's to the downside. Weekly. Yeah. Last week has a huge liquidity wick. It failed to make a new higher high. We'll see. We shall see, but nothing yet. Yeah, all these setups are gonna happen in London and New York.
there's no economic data or anything coming out. Well, China has unemployment numbers coming out at 10 p.m., but other than that, there's nothing happening until London opens.
Yeah, GN might. We'll see what happens here. I might, but the risk is too big. The risk is too big right now. EA, yeah, it pulled back. It might. It's just not as clean. Yeah, GN's like the only one, or maybe Brent if it closes outside. That might look decent. Yeah, so I'll put these two. See what happens. Oh, Bet, you got your charts pulled up?
Yeah, I got them pulled up.
Nice, man. You see any ops?
I like GA for sales. Cranks. Play the waiting game on the break of the daily.
Oh, down here, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Juju just consolidating right now. Yeah, oatmeal cream pie. Get this sugar, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, what?
The diabetes. I work out, I'm good. I'm supposed to be trying to get this Smith gym freaking LA for like $500.
What is it?
It's like a Smith gym set, so it's like it has a bench, weight racks, all of that put together.
Does it bring weight with it, or is it just like the setup?
Yeah, with the weights. There's one dude trying to sell it for like $1,200, but then he was just like, it's $1.50 per pound. I was like, you can miss me with that one.
What kind of weird ass logic is that?
Bro,
Yeah.
they make no sense. Then I was like, well, show me a picture of that stuff. I was like, dude, you got like 10 weights. I'm looking for a whole set.
That ain't it. I got mine for like 180, and I brought like almost 400 pounds.
And that's what I was trying to look for.
Yeah. They out there, man. People buy stuff on impulse and then end up not using it, and then eventually they get tired of it taking up space.
Those are the folks I'm waiting for.
Yeah, shoot, they're probably out there right now.
And they're going to post that thing on Facebook Marketplace.
Yeah.
Or on the base. They post it if they have it on base.
Yeah, those are the best ones too. You get it from like some officer or something.
Mm-hmm.
Thought it was a good idea at the time. It was like a Christmas present or something.
And the main ones I'm waiting for.
Yeah, I got mine so good because it was some dude PCS and he couldn't take the weight with him. So that was like his, yeah. That's what he ended up having to give up.
Trying to get that and some dumbbells. Like this one dude was selling some, but everything was like 110 plus. I was like, man, freaking kill myself.
Hey, what you doing with those?
Doing 107 pound dumbbell. Put it behind my tires.
Carry it into the house, never touch it again.
I was like, nah. That way I ain't gotta worry about the gym, even though I still go like the sauna.
Yeah. Gym's good if like you're traveling or something. You just need a place to kind of train that, but other than that, the home setup is game changer.
I should have. Man, I'm over, put it outside. Get a tarp or something. Throw it over it. Days it's gonna rain and whatnot.
Yeah, you don't want the jokers rusting.
Oh, dude was selling the clips too at a certain price. I was like, bro.
Oh my god. You can't even just throw those in?
Like, man, trying to get every dollar over here.
Yeah, that's crazy.
I want some clips. I didn't go to the gym. I borrowed.
Yeah, really.
Bring them back. Definitely don't see GJ pushing it to him. So I'll probably be up for it.
Yeah, it's like that. I mean, it's the first day of the week.
Yeah, that too. So that's why I don't expect any movement to London.
Yeah.
And then maybe Tuesday, Thursday, I'll probably catch like the biggest moves. Friday is just like if I lost, I could probably recover it back real quick, depending on how the setups are. Because of the news, most of the time. It's always had something to do with like negative news from the day prior or something like that ends up making it go down or go up.
Yeah. It's definitely good to take the time to map out where you want price to, or where you're expecting price to go.
Yeah.
Yeah, like what I do every morning when I wake up before the U.S. session opens, I'll map out my key levels for the day, and then at the end of the day at 7 p.m., I'll copy and paste that, and then look at the charts and see like what actually happened versus like what my analysis was. So you do that for a couple weeks, and you start to you kind of start to memorize the different price levels and like where everything's at.
Yeah, get confidence too in like your analysis.
Yeah, like even just the act of writing it or typing it out or writing it down or whatever, that just like cements it in your brain, like the different levels that you're looking at and like where everything's at. So you know as soon as you like hear a piece of news, you know like where everything's going to be pushing to.
Yeah, I love yeah, also man, having it like set up in you just get in the habit of setting it up also in like Asian or whatever. It's pretty seamless as well when you wake up. Kind of just have to adjust a little bit too.
Yeah, the only difficult thing is with Forex, it's like it's so much better if you can wake up early enough to trade the London session. But waking up at fucking 5 a.m. is just every day. It's difficult to stay on routine. But I was doing it for a few months straight, and that's like I'd say probably between 6 a.m. and about 10 a.m. It's like the prime time for the Forex pairs.
Yeah, no, it's yeah. You could literally wake up at 9 and look for an op between 9 and 11, and you're straight. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So if you do miss it, but ideally you want to be up at least by 5, that 4 hourly close, at least. But if you do miss it, at least you got like 2 hours. You could legitimately look for one from 9 to 11, 12. But yeah, Brent crude's looking good. It's closing strong outside this range, bro. If this closes strong outside on the 30, I'm gonna get in on the next candle. Get in on the next candle. It's really it could be a pullback,
The
but
close is where it's at right now.
yeah, I mean it's just so strong, so much momentum. Um,
Yeah, it's sinking, bro.
weekly's bearish. It's a weekly pullback probably. Daily, yeah, finally some type of support. I wish like ideally if definitely would want that to break, but
What I found through all the like shit, Brandon knows I've been watching oil since fucking last year. What I found with oil is that a lot of the times that those daily, like the daily chart, you have those little pin bars. People trade those pin bars, and what happens with oil is oil will usually go down and take out the low of the pin bar because everybody puts their stop below the pin bar low, and they trade it long off that candle. And usually oil, the next candle, it'll almost always go down and take out the low of the pin bar and then do the move up that it was going to do.
yeah, because there's no wick on this candle to the top. It kind of just fell, but yeah, there's gonna be a big move depending on what it does in a minute. Oh yeah, wait, was this? No, this is
Yeah, I was
just.
talking about WTI. You were looking at Brent.
Oh my bad. Yeah. Oh, see, this was the move. Oh yeah, this one's even cleaner. Oh yeah, I'm looking for this right here. Let me see here. Daily. Yeah. The only thing that sucks is that there's no wick. It's strange, but it's worth the opportunity, I think. Yeah, it's
Yeah, I think it's going to go for that daily candle low.
down here, right?
Yeah, take out those lows.
Yeah, once this 30 closes outside, I'm gonna look to get in. Maybe like hopefully it wicks to like right here. All right, where you at? Oh, it's showing a huge gap down. See how big this risk is gonna be. Nope, no trade, bro. Anybody who just jumped in is crazy. The thing needs to break. Dang, that's a huge risk. See, there's no wick. That could be just a pullback. 13 pips. Let's see what happens. If it closes back in the range, it's a fake out, and then it'll just continue up.
I could see if it came up and then came like with pretty much created like a wick from rejecting that area. And close outside with the weak bullish, then yeah, I can see it happening. But what it is, I mean, you gotta keep that risk.
If it does break, it will go, but we'll see. We shall see. The yen is faking out. It's gonna retest the support. See, this one looks better. Brent. Brent looks a little bit less of a risk.
Yeah.
16 pips.
Yeah, if it breaks that previous 30, that's
See, this is technically a fake out to the top right here.
yeah. the fake out too. We broke the breakout candle.
This would be TP1, like 23 pips, 10 pips, break even. And leave a runner. This is the daily too, that red line. Well, no, actually it's not. It's a daily level, but and there's no wick. It's probably gonna fake out. I bet, man. I bet you it closes in here and just. And now this is just a pullback. We'll see. We'll see. If not, we'll get in.
Alright, fellas, it's my bedtime. I'm gonna hop off.
Alright, Tyler.
Alright, then. Y'all have a good one. Alright, you too, bro. Later.
Yeah, man, it's looking like a fake out.
Let's see.
There's not any setups, man, except for this, man. If it breaks, if not, then I'm gonna jump off early. Get ready for New York.
Yeah, New York might be the move. Low risk Mondays.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, it's not looking great, but at least the markets are mapped out, man. Opportunities for London and New York. It's just sitting back and waiting, fake out. No trade, didn't break high. As usual happens in Asian anyways. USD CAD, 52 pip move there, 40 pip move down there. Bitcoin's just at the bottom, supports coming back to the top, consolidating. Everything's just consolidating. This is a fake out on oil, and that's it. No trades. Perfect, man. Well, let's yeah, man, let's jump on tomorrow.
Alright, then.
All right, y'all.
Alright, bro. Later.
See you.